Hello students, how are you all? I expect all of you are fine. I am also fine. Thank you. Welcome to my online class. Learners, could you remember what did you learn in the last class? Yes, we learned the beginning, Unit 7, Lesson 4. Learners, can you say the name of a person who works to lessen the sufferings of the poor? Can you say? Yes, she is none other than Mother Teresa. Look at the picture. She is none other than Mother Teresa. So, can you say what's our lesson today? Yes, today is our lesson, Love for Humanity. Love for Humanity. Unit 7, Lesson 6. This class is for 9 and 10. Okay. Learners, before beginning our lesson, let's know the learning outcome. Learning outcome. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to talk about a picture, read and understand text, find true, false information, write answers to the question from reading. Okay? So, open your book. Learners, look at the picture. Talk about her. Look at the picture. What do you see? Who is she? She is Mother Teresa. What is she doing? She is holding a child in her baby, in her arms. She is holding a child in her arms and some other children around her. Okay? Learners, before beginning our text, let's know some new vocabs. Commitment. It means a thing one has promised to do. Commitment, a thing one has promised to do. Compassion, a pity for the sufferings of others. Extend, to make something longer or larger in space or time. Wrinkled, having or showing a small fold or time in the skin caused by age. Okay? Learners, at first I would like to read the text and then I will ask you question. So listen attentively. Section B. Read more about Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sick and dying on the streets of Kolkata. She founded a home for the dying destitute and named it Nirmal Hriday, meaning pure heart. She and her fellow nuns brought the dying people of the streets of Kolkata to this home. They were lovingly looked after and cared for. Since then, many men, women and children have been taken from the streets and carried to Nirmal Hriday. These unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. The missionaries of charity try to find jobs for those who survive or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family, we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried? Are we there? Who is feeling lonely? Who is feeling sick? Who is feeling worried? Are we there? Are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families? Or do we put our interest first? We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. Next, Mother Teresa's work has been recognized throughout the world, and she received a number of awards. These include the Pope John XXIII Peace Prize, 1971, the Nehru Prize for Promotion of International Peace and Understanding, 1972, the Baljan Prize, 1978, the Nobel Peace Prize, 1979, and the Bharat Ratna, 1980. The last part of this text, Mother Teresa died at the age of 87 on 5 September 1997. The world salutes her for her love and compassion for humanity. She has taught us how to extend our hand towards those who need our love and support, irrespective of creed, caste, and religion. The picture of Mother Teresa draped in a white and blue bordered sari, with a wrinkled face, ever soft eyes, and a saintly smile lives on in our mind. Learners, now I will ask you a question. Look at the question number 1. Why was Mother Teresa moved? Why was Mother Teresa moved? Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sick and dying on the streets of Kolkata. Do you agree with me? Thank you. Question number 2. What did Mother Teresa say about commitment to family? Here this answer. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are we there? Are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families? Or do we put our interest first? We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. Okay? Question number 3. When did Mother Teresa receive Nobel Peace Prize? It's very simple. When did Mother Teresa receive Nobel Peace Prize? In the year 1979. In the year 1979, Mother Teresa received Nobel Peace Prize. Question number 4. When did she die? She died at the age of 87 on 5 September 1997. Okay? Learners, now we will read section C. Now say whether the following statements are true or false. If false, give the correct answer. Number 1. Mother Teresa was moved to see the diseases that spread in the streets of Kolkata. Is it true or false? Yes, this is false. The correct answer is Mother Teresa was moved to see the sick and dying on the streets of Kolkata. Okay? 2. She opened a home for the orphans. Is it true? No, it is also false. She opened a home for the dying destitute. Number 3. She and her group brought in the dying people from the streets of Kolkata. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Question number 4. Nirmal Hriday was founded so that the poor people who are dying can get love and care before death. Is it true? Yes, this is true. Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through charitable organizations. Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through charitable organizations. Is it true or false? Of course, it is false. Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through the family. 6. We have learned from Mother Teresa how to come forward to help only those who belong to a special caste. Is it true? No. It is also false. The correct answer is, we have learned from Mother Teresa how to come forward to help the irrespective of creed, caste and religion. Do you agree with me? Thank you. Learners, now section D. Read the text in B again and write the answers to the following question in your exercise book. So, open your book. Number 1. Why do you think Mother Teresa won so many awards? What do you think? Here is a question. Why do you think Mother Teresa won so many awards? Why? Because of her love for humanity. Isn't it? Okay. Number 2. What does Nirmal Hriday stand for? Nirmal Hriday stands for pure heart. Okay. Question number 3. Why do you think the home is named Nirmal Hriday? Why do you think the home is named Nirmal Hriday? Because those people who serve there are of pure heart with pure ambition. Do you agree with me? Thank you. Number 4. Why did Mother Teresa want the dying people to feel that they too deserve care and love? What do you think? Why did Mother Teresa want the dying people to feel that they too deserve care and love? Because they were the children of God. They were the children of God. Question number 5. What are the things that we have learned from Mother Teresa? It's simple. We have learned from Mother Teresa love for humanity and how to serve the destitute, etc. Okay? Learners, now you tell me, what do you learn from this lesson? Being moved by the sick and dying destitute on the streets of Kolkata, Mother Teresa founded a home and brought them there. She ensured an environment of love and kindness for them. She also emphasizes the commitment to family. Learners, all her words has been throughout the world and hence she was rewarded duly. Till now, people salute her with unprecedented love and compassion for her. Okay? Now, your homework. Write about Mother Teresa. Okay? So this is the end of my class. See you next class. Finally, I would like to say, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.